Let's show you swing trading strategies for S&P 500 with trading rules and performance. This is the first one. Today is Monday. It's the second day in a row with lower close. Sell when the close is higher than yesterday's high. The second swing strategy reads like this. The close sets a new 5-day low. The IBS indicator must be lower than 0.25. Sell when the close is higher than yesterday's high. The third swing trading strategy has the following rules. Today's intraday high must be lower than the previous day's 10-day high. The IBS must be lower than 0.15. Exit when today's close is higher than yesterday's high. If we combine all three swing trading strategies into a portfolio, we get a pretty decent result. Much better than buy and hold despite only investing 27% of the time. You find hundreds of similar swing trading strategies on our website.